We're discussing about advantages of server. So there are many advantages of server in the business, in the growth of business and organization. The best is, the first one is it improves collaboration. So by saying that, I mean that if you have, like, you have shared a resource, so it gets stored in the server, and anyone else who have been using that, who is a part of that network, can easily access that resource or access that file, or if you have like install certain service, so that person can easily use that service with the help of server. So it is improve collaboration as the server act as a middleman. Second is scalability. Like if I have today I have bought a machine, but suddenly I'm receiving a lot of traffic, then I can easily uh, increase the size of size, and by buying multiple resources from the server. And then if suddenly my business stop working or slow down, then I can easily remove the resources. So it's very easy and scalable. It is also very secure because instead of storing my data locally on my device can get damaged or something. But instead of that, I'm storing it in the server. So I'm not first of all, I'm not worried about the security, like someone can store my machine or something. And it is already secured in the server, so it provides security. Okay, for just scale accessibility, that since all my resources are on the server, so I don't have to be at a particular place. Like I'm not buying any hardware or something, or everything I have bought from a server is on the, let's say, on the cloud. So I just need to have remote access of my resources, and I'm just easy to go and easy can easily work anywhere. I'm not fixed at certain place. I can work from anywhere. And last is cost saving, because basically it's the hardware that is expensive, so I don't have to buy hardware. And there's also less risk, because if in case my business didn't work out the work, then I can easily I just have to pay monthly, or depending on the type on the cloud I have bought from, I can easily scale up, scale down, and even and the service. And it will not cost me an arm on a leg, and I can easily go with it. So that's all for today. Happy learning.